This is for a Chrysler 300 repair. If you have a leak, smelling coolant, it's probably coming from there. This is a way to take this off easily. Cheap repair. You take these off, one of these. You've got to cut your hose. Careful not to cut this one. You have to cut all three sides of those. There's number 2 cut off. It's a plastic coupling. Look, this is what fails. Hoses are still good. Find this adapter at Home Depot. 1x1x1/2. Make sure you buy some clamps and get them nice and tight. It's a good idea to have you a hand ratchet like that. Additionally, you'll need 1-inch coupling, hose. Go to Kragen, tell them it's the water heater for the car. Don't know what it is. Don't forget new clamps. It's not ideal to put more stuff on there, but put your coupling on this side. It'll make your life a lot easier. I just figured that out. All right, everything is intact. All the hose clamps are back on, little ties. Next step is you open this guy up. This is what you need. A 50-50 mix. Do not add water. It's for Chrysler. And for 150,000 miles. You will have to remove this guy here. And down there, there is a bleeding valve. Once you pour that in there and it starts coming out through here, you open it up. Let's go to the left a little bit. Once it comes out, you have all the air out. Seal it back up good and you're good to go. This is a cheap way to go about it, guys. I'm not liable. If you want to do it this way, or if you want to spend $396 on parts plus labor for someone else to do this for you, then that's on you. See there, it's starting to come out. It's time to close it up.